Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Vlogmas Day 12, yeah, and still on me giving you ideas on gift ideas, giving you gift ideas for Christmas, for your clients, for the new year. So we'll be learning how to make this beautiful scrunchy headpiece. Let me wait. So isn't this beautiful? So anyhow you want to wear it, how does it look? So we'll be learning how to make this in this video, and as you're watching the video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and also comment if you know this class has been helpful. Please let me see your comments. Let me know that you guys are actually watching this video. So comment, like, share with others, let them also watch the video. So let's get right into the cutting and sewing of this beautiful scrunchy headband. So let's get right into what's the tutorial right now. So we'll be needing two things for this tutorial: your elastic and your fabric. And I have my fabric in 3 different pieces. This is the smallest of it all, and this one is 15 inches by 3 inches. 15 by 3, 15 by 3, and this one is 18 inches by 3 inches. 18 by 3, so this is 15 by 3, 18 by 3, and the biggest of it all, which is what, 8 inches wide, 8 inches wide, and the length is 36 inches. You can see this is 18, but it is on fold, so the full length is what, 36 inches. The first thing I'll be doing is I'll be taking this piece, the 3 pieces now. I'll be taking them to the sewing machine. I'll fold them into 2 like this, and I'll sew on 0.5. See, this is the right side and this is the wrong side of the fabric. So I'll sew on 0.5. I'll take this one also, I'll sew on 0.5. This one also, I'll open it up and I'll sew on 0.5. 0.5 like that. So this is it, I've sewn. So I'll turn each piece out, after which I'll iron. So I'll iron it like this, so when I turn this out also, I'll iron it the same way, putting this seam in the middle. So this is it, I've ironed. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be passing the smallest piece, this smallest piece, into this biggest piece. Note, I said I'll be passing the smallest piece into what, the biggest piece. I'll pin this one together. So this midline and this midline must align. So I also pin this place down also, same way I did for the other side. So I have this, so I'll take to the sewing machine and I'll sew this place down just to keep this inner piece in check. So I'll sew it down and I'll also sew this place down also. So I've sewn it down and I have this. Okay, so the next thing I'll be working up is this. I'll be cutting my elastic, which will be 9 inches long. This is my elastic, 9 inches. So I'll be passing it through this piece. So I'll take the sewing machine also and I'll sew this down together with the elastic. I also do for this side also together with the elastic. So this is it. This is it. So this, I'm going to turn this. You can see this is where the seam line is. Going to turn it to the right side. Then I'll place this, the right side facing the right side here. But I'll ensure that my line is its center. I'll ensure that this is in the center. So I'll place this like this. Like this. Can we see that? Then I'll place the other one on top like this. Then I'll sew above this first line to be above it. So I'll sew above it. It can be 0.25 above it. It can be 0.5 depending on how much allowance you added. So I'll be sewing on that. So this is it. I've sewn. Then I'll also come here. Place it like this. Like this. So I'll sew this place. So I've done both sides. Then I'll turn it out like this. Can you see this? And I'll turn this one also like this. So this is it. This should be inside. This is the outer part. So this is the inside. You can see that. So thank you guys for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell to receive notification whenever I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Vlogmas. Bye.